I sat down by the ocean. Is that tears that I feel?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. But it's not really a tutorial because I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just going to be doing this makeup look on camera and basically showing you what products I use and doing a little chit chat and everything like that. So before I start, I just wanted to say I have a little giveaway. So these are what I'm giving away. It is the Too Faced Peach Mist Setting Spray. I have the Too Faced Peach Primed and Peachy mattifying primer, and then I also have a little lipstick as well. So yeah, I'm going to be giving these three away. It is open internationally. All you've got to do is go over to my Instagram. I'll link it down below. It will also like come up here, but it's basically Katherine_Bond with 2 D's, or I'm pretty sure you can just type in Katherine Rose and it will come up, but it will all be linked down below anyway. But go on to my Instagram, follow me, and then comment and like on any one of my pictures. You can comment anything you want. Just leave 1 comment or 2 comments if you really want, or however many you want, but at least 1 comment and 1 like. And then go and comment on this video your Instagram like username, so I can go over and check that you've actually done it. So yeah, I'll be picking 1 winner a week from now, so when this video is uploaded, and I'll DM you on Instagram, and I'll also leave it as a comment on your comment in the description box. No, not on the description box, in like the comment section. So yeah, good luck. I hope you win, and yeah, let's get on with this makeup tutorial. Get ready with me thing now. First thing I'm doing is applying primer. This is the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer by Too Faced. So let's just put some of that on my hands. I've been loving this primer recently. I went to a Too Faced event, which is why I have like so many Too Faced products, because we got a little goodie bag, and some of them I've got double of, which is why I'm giving some away. So there will be quite a few giveaways with some Too Faced products in, so definitely keep a lookout for that. But yeah, there is some Too Faced products in this video as well, and this primer is one of my favourite things I've tried. So for foundation, as I normally do, I mix 2. This is the Huda Beauty foundation in Creme Brulee, and it's a little bit light. So I also mix in the EX1 Invisiwear foundation in 11, I think it is. I think it's 11, but I really need to repurchase this because look how much of it has gone. But yeah, so I'm just going to pump kind of 1 pump of each on the back of my hand. I do love the Huda Beauty foundation, but it is really full coverage. So I do mix a little bit of this in, which is a little bit lighter coverage and also makes it a little bit darker. And then I dot it on my face. And then get my like massive Real Technique sponge and then like pat that in. Onto concealer, and again I'm mixing 2 because I always do. This is the Tarte Shape Tape, and then this is the Urban Decay, like what is this, the Naked Skin concealer. This is a little bit too dark, so I add a little bit of this into it to make it a little bit lighter, but this one is my favourite, really full coverage again. And then we just add a little bit of this in so it's like nice and bright underneath my eyes. And then back in with the sponge to blend it all in. It's so weird because I used to do so many makeup tutorials, and now I literally do no makeup tutorials, and if they are, they're pretty much all the same, because I feel like as I've gotten older I just know what looks good on me now, so I don't really tend to do like dramatic makeup or anything kind of out there. I tend to stick with like the same makeup look because I feel like that's what I look good in, and yeah, just want to stick to that pretty much. But thought I'd do a makeup tutorial, kind of get ready with me anyway. So now on to eyebrows. I use this Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Brow Pencil. I I have no idea what it's called, but it's just like a little brow pencil thing. So yeah, I just kind of fill them in. I'm really bad at doing my eyebrows, like literally terrible, but I feel like they make so much of a difference. So just fill these in a little bit. So I think that eyebrows done. I literally hate doing my eyebrows. That's the only part of my makeup which, it just takes like 10 minutes to do one eyebrow and I still don't like it, and then I've got to try and do the other one and make it match. It just does not go well. Second eyebrow done. However, I feel like they look completely different, but we're going to move on and do some powder. I think I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. So let's just open this up, and then I think you've got to like open this bit up, and then I'm going to get like a little mini sponge, I think. Let's pour some into the lid and do it like that. Hopefully that's enough. So let's just bounce that in there and then put some under here. That's not enough, is it? Let's try again. So let's put some on there and then let's go under here. That looks better. I then just get a brush and I put some on my brush, and then I just kind of powder all around here. And on my nose. And then I also like to get some and then smooth out my eye and then just apply some like that. Now using the Too Faced Just Peachy Matte palette. This is what it looks like. I've been loving it recently. Has just such pretty shades in it. I'm going to use this shade here, which is Peach Tea. And this is like a Morphe brush, and I just blend that into my crease. I might zoom you in a bit. Is that better? Let me just brighten it up now. There we go. Then getting a smaller Zoeva brush, I just take the same shade on it and I put it all over my lid. Just gonna wipe away this powder from underneath my eyes. So now back onto my eyes. What I like to do is take a eyeliner. This is Smolder from MAC. I need to find a mirror. Let's just use this. And then I draw a really rough line on my top lash line here. And then after I've drawn just a really rough line, I take a little brush and I smudge it in. And then I do like to sometimes wing it out a little bit. So that's one eye done, as you can see what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna do the other eye. And then I just take this shade here and I'm just gonna smudge that underneath my lower lash line. Now time for mascara. I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And then tops of the cheekbones. And then I also like to put a little bit on my nose, but some people hate it. I like it. I also sometimes contour my nose. So to do that I use this little eyebrow kit from Sleek, and then I take this little brush, I dab it in there, and then I dab it kind of on the back of my hand because I want it to be really light, and then I just draw down here like that, and I stop at this bit, I don't do the tip, and then I do the same to the other side. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it literally transforms my nose. I love this trick. Now onto lips. Let me just get a baby wipe and get off where the foundation's just gone on it. So for my lips, I use NYX lip liner in Natural, and I just go around the outsides. Then use this Rimmel lipstick in the shade Trendsetter, and it's their like the matte only one collection, and it's my favourite lipstick. And then sometimes what I do is take the NYX, what is this? This is the Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo, and I just put it on the centre like that, and then kind of pat it in. And it just makes everything a little bit lighter. Now for lashes, I use Ardell Wispy lashes, not the Demi Wispy, just the Wispies. They're kind of hard to get, but you can look on Amazon, and Boots sometimes do them. These are a pair I've already used, but I'm going to use them again. Then I take my Primark glue, which you know is my favourite. The way I do glue, I never dip it in because I feel like you just don't get enough on the brush. So I squeeze it slightly till I get a little dollop. Can you see? Probably not. Let me like close up. Can you see now? There we go. So I do it so you get a little dollop, and then I lift the dollop on my brush, and then I kind of go in with that little dollop bit, if that makes any sense at all. Probably not, but oh well.
I sat down by the ocean. Is that tears that I feel? Fill up with emotions. Could I taste them for real?